Ready to unlock the secret to profitable Clickbank campaigns with Google Ads, turning clicks into cold, hard cash? Let's dive in. First, head over to Google Ads and click Create Campaign. Choose the sales objective. This tells Google we want purchases, not just website visits. Now, select Search as your campaign type. Search campaigns appear when people actively search for what you're selling, making them highly targeted. Keyword research is key. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find low competition, high-converting keywords directly related to your Clickbank product. Think specific, like beginner guitar lessons online instead of just guitar lessons. Craft compelling ad copy. Your headline should grab attention and include your main keyword. The description needs to highlight the benefits of your Clickbank product and feature a clear call to action, like get started today. Next, refine your targeting. Use demographic and interest-based targeting options to reach the ideal customer for your Clickbank offer. Don't waste money showing ads to people who aren't interested. Ensure your Clickbank product landing page is optimized for conversions. It should have a clear headline, compelling sales copy, and an easy-to-find buy now button. A slow or confusing landing page will kill your conversions. Finally, track your results obsessively. Monitor your cost per click, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust your keywords, ad copy, or targeting. Data is your friend. By implementing these updated strategies, you can transform your Google Ads campaigns into a profitable engine for your Clickbank products. Now go out there and start driving those sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips.